Man, this thing is old. It makes all kinds of noises. So we gotta replace a whole bunch of stuff. Hey guys, we're off to a great start. Our axles just went out. You hear that noise? Yeah, no good. You can hear the axles making all that noise. You hear that? Yep, so there's a whole bunch of stuff wrong with this car. When it's in good condition, it drives really, really nice. It drives better than my newer Civic. Well, not as new, it's a 2002 Civic, but considering that this car is older than that, it really drives really nice. I think it has to do with the fact that the chassis is really stiff. It has a pretty good weight to it. The weight on it is well distributed. The only thing with this particular car is that it's old. So the sway bar on the front, the bushings are completely out. I think it's just like hanging by a thread, so it feels like jello when you're driving. I have a brand new sway bar in the back, so it's keeping the car a little bit, I guess, driving or handling a little bit better. But the axles are gone. The brakes are gone. The shocks are really old. Since I dropped the car, it's a little bit harder to drive since they're very, very soft, so we gotta update that. As you can see, like, the paint is gone. I've had this for a long time now, since probably 2012, I would say. So I've had it for a while, and you're not gonna believe, but this is my daily driver, and I've had issues with it here and there, which we can go over later on. And I've had stayed on the side of the road a couple of times, but overall the engine still rocking pretty hard. I'm pretty hard on it, so anybody that knows, they know I drive pretty hard. And while it is a BMW, it is leaking a little bit of oil, but it's not a lot, and it's very strong. So the interior obviously needs a lot of work, and there's a whole bunch of little things here and there. Overall it's paint, but it's coming out pretty good. So let's go ahead and get those axles fixed, and then hopefully we can go for a drive. Today I'm just going to work on the E30, replacing the rear axles. I think they're busted, they're making noise, so let's go ahead and get started. Wow, even my tools are all customized. Nah, just kidding. I just got tired of losing it, so I colored it a little bit, because that's the only lug nut wheel that I have. So this video series of the car is just going to be a highlight video of me putting the car together and building it. It's not really going to be a tutorial video. If you have any technical questions, you can ask me, but the majority of the stuff that you see here, you can find it online. They feel pretty good. Now the only thing that I'm thinking of is that the clutch may be going out. It's kind of slipping a little bit. I'm not sure if it's the coils or something. I checked them and they feel secure. Sometimes that's what happens, but it might be the clutch. But I'll drive it around for a couple more days and see if it is. So we'll see.